Okay, so what we have here is some of my parts that I've created on SolidWorks. So this part here on this end here is a spacer for the Club 90's wheel for the backside. So that way it would match up with the Azusa wheel. Okay, and then it has the flange to hold it. That's just support material, just the bridging around it. I have a resin printer for it. And then this is, I have a 1-inch shaft on my engine, and the torque converter and the bolt that goes through, there's this big void. So I created this, and then I just put on the cover of it just to decorate it. I don't know if it'll go in. View it here. There you go, 1910 Buick Bug. So it's there. There's a keyway cut into it as well. And then the last part is a additional project that a student designed and asked me to print it. So I always try to pile up as many things in it I can, because it is by time on height. So whatever I can fit in that height will print in that time. So the printer's sitting over here. You can see right now it's printing the rocket and part of that circle. And inside there it is. You can see it comes down, it dips, and then it pulls up after each layer is printed. So that is some of the parts that I'm printing for the go-kart. So I just want to make a really quick video.